Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Last year at MWC, it was Nokia that stole the show with their 3310 reboot. So it comes as no surprise that this year, they're bringing back another favorite. This is our Nokia 8110 4G, hands-on. If you're a Matrix fan, then I'm pretty sure you know exactly what we're talking about. And more than a decade later, the phone still makes you look as cool as ever. They call it the banana phone for a reason. It's got the same curved back, and this pops out as usual. And if yellow is not your color, it also is available in black. Of course, the display gets an upgrade. It's now in full color, but the keyboard is still your usual numpad. This is a feature phone, so don't expect it to run Android apps, for example, but it does come bundled with Twitter and Facebook. Now, because it's a 4G phone, you can watch YouTube, but you'll have to log on to the internet via browser. Also, because it is a 4G phone, you can also use it as a personal hotspot. All you have to do is flick this switch and share your internet connection with your other devices. And what would any Nokia reboot be without our favorite game, Snake? This time around, it's harder than I remember. Of course, aside from its nostalgic appeal, Nokia says that this phone is relevant for today. They say it's perfect for those who want to disconnect, maybe for the weekend, but still need a device for communication. And you don't have to charge it over a weekend because it lasts over 20 hours on a single charge. Another thing that got an upgrade, but just by a little, is the camera. This is a 2-megapixel shooter. There's only one on the back, which means selfies have to be taken like this, and photos look like this. And that was our Nokia 8110 4G hands-on. For more videos from Mobile World Congress, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next one, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.